Hi guys, welcome back to Drinks with Goody. I know, you look a little different, but guess what? I braved the virus, y'all. I went outside, I got my eyebrows done, I got my nails done, I got my toes done. I had to. I could not be out here looking crazy. I mean, yeah, I know my hair is a little wild, but that's okay. I just woke up like an hour ago. That's why I look a little crazy. That's my voice a little raspy, but I just could not be out here with my eyebrows this thick, okay? I just cannot. But if you're going to get your nails done, beware because they are double charging. Like she charged me $50 to get my nails done, and I normally pay 40. She charged me 25 to get a pedicure. I normally pay 18. They are double charging like a motherfucker. So if you are getting your nails done, just know you might get ripped off like I did. But I kind of knew that when I was going into the nail salon because they were closed for like almost a month, so they have to make their money back. I mean, I kind of knew that, but I don't think it's right. But that's a whole other video. Today's video, the reason for this pink wig is it's going to be a pink Whitney and Hennessy pink starburst daiquiri. I've been seeing a lot of you guys talk about pink Whitney and Hennessy and how it had you there. Oh, ha, 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 ha. So I was just like, you know, I might as well just make a little daiquiri and tell you guys how it turned out. Speaking of daiquiri and how it turned out, if you're not a fan of really sweet drinks, this is not the video for you because that drink is so sweet. Like, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good and it's a nice kick because I added 4 shots of each, but it's sweet. So if you're not like a sweet person, this video is not for you. But if you are a sweet person and you want to see how I made this drink, keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. So first things first, you're going to grab your Hennessy because you can't have a Hennessy video without Hennessy and wait, there's more. You cannot have a Pink Whitney video without Pink Whitney. We're going to get lit, so we're mixing dark and light. Who cares? We're not doing anything. We're just in the house. You're going to need Daily Sweet and Sour Mix. I use Daily's, but you can use Master of Mixes as well. You're going to need Starburst. I already unwrapped mine, and I put it in a small cup I got from Walmart. You don't need lime juice, but you can add it, not lime, but lemon juice, sorry. You don't need lemon juice, but you can add it if you want to. You're going to add 3 shots of Pink Whitney into the blender just to make sure that this is a drink that you're going to feel afterwards. You're going to be lit. You're going to be on the couch like, oh my God, she's trying to kill me. But again, you're not doing anything special. We're all on lockdown. Next, you're going to add 3 shots of Hennessy. I'm trying to add more Hennessy in my videos, guys, because you guys cursed me out in my last video saying that I didn't add enough. And I feel like 3 shots is standard because if I go to the bar and I take 3 shots of Hennessy, I'm going to be twerking on somebody's son. So 3 shots, it's standard, okay? Next, you're going to add your sweet and sour mix. I do not have the exact measurements for this part. I kind of just poured, so sorry about that. Next, you're going to add 4 cups of ice. I do not like watery daiquiris. That pisses me off. So I add 4 cups, but if you're the type who does not care, you can add 2. But I add 4 because I like to add stuff on top of my daiquiris. You're going to add pink Starburst mix and pink Starburst. You can find you can find the pink Starburst mix at Walmart. I think it's like $9, I believe. So now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after I blended everything together and how it's nice and thick, how I like it. Thick like how I'm trying to be 2020, summer 2020 thick. No? Okay. Y'all not feeling it. So now I'm going to pour half out. I kind of like thought about this in mid video that I wanted to add more Hennessy on top. So that's why I'm pouring it out because I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to use the spoon to pour it on top of it just to give it that nice Hennessy kick that I was looking for. Because I kind of wanted it to be strong, but not too strong to the point that it's nasty, but strong. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I want it to be like a nice, strong pink drink, but not too strong to the point that it's like, ew, it's nasty, because the drink is already sweet. So then I added lemons on top. I kind of took them out because they kind of went to the bottom, but for decoration, So this is what it looks like at the very end, and I added starburst as well. So now you're going to see someone taste test it for me.
Oh shit! You never lied. Yeah, I need to drink this out of the straw.